From the moment my husband Luke proposed, while I was sitting next to the sandpit breastfeeding our youngest, I knew we'd get married here at our new property that we were about to move into. I wanted to have what I called a mullet wedding. Ceremony in the front and the party out the back. Our backyard was the perfect location for a reception. It's like a natural amphitheatre. Only we had nowhere flat to put the DJ and the band. So of course, we built a stage. We had our location and now it was time to collect timber.
Can you
Help you get that up?
very heavy. I don't want your help.
Get you up your head.
I'll come around on the count of three. Stop.
We collected our timber and Luke got to work on stripping all the bark off the many, many logs that we were using to build this stage. The location was chosen, the stage was set out, and now it was time to drill the holes. We got all the posts into place, chucked some braces on them, and got ready to concrete. Some time has lapsed and we forgot to film a few things. But we have put in the front two posts, put up some bearers, and now are installing the joists with these nice big nails.
Yeah, boy.
We laid out all of our joists working from thickest to thinnest to work with the natural slope of the front bearer. We then secured each joist with 2 long batten screws working on alternate angles to stop them from rocking back and forth.
Put your head, Jen.
We used a chainsaw and a plane to take down the top of the logs to create a flat surface and make the floor level. We laid our hardwood flooring one board at a time that we had received off a mate who had collected from a demolition job and saved to use as firewood, but we saved it again to use it as our floor. Fastened each board with 2 batten screws into each log. We called in the troops to help us get the roof built. Many hands make light work. First, working out the height.
Who's going to pick it? Some freaky.
Then installing the main beams. No, Michael needs to climb up first because of the shape of the ladder. Matching checkouts had been cut into the post.
Beautiful.
Oh, baby. As this shape is an irregular quadrilateral, working out the pitch of the roof is a little bit difficult. First, we put up a piece of timber on the right-hand side from the front beam to the back post. And then from the back left-hand post, we run a beam to sit square to the front post so that we can level that to then get our fall for the roof. Once the angle of the roof is found, we put up the back beam ready to support the ceiling joists. I left this one to the boys as I had babies to tend to.
You'll go around to your side of the post and over this pine. Yep, and then
once all the ceiling joists were in place, I came through, marked out with a string line and cut the tails off with a circular saw ready for the roof battens.
It takes you 3 days to get over a hangover.
The roof was ready to sheet. Thanks everybody for all your help. We couldn't have done it without you. We hope that you enjoyed your hot pot feast post roof build. Luke got to work on splitting this log to use as a handrail for the back edge of the stage. It turned out better than we could have hoped. Well done, Luke. You're a legend.
Looks sick.
Cool.
Looks unreal.
I added in a cross-section brace to support the structure, and Luke added in a central post under the handrail to stop it sagging in the center, and what a perfect job he did. The roof went on and the stage was complete. We got the stage completed in time for the wedding, and it went off with a blast. We had a band performing, a DJ up there rocking out jams, and
I didn't even know.
it was perfect.
You are my friend, my wife, and my life, and I couldn't be happier. I'll always be here to hold the dumb end of the tape measure for you.
Yeah!
Now that the wedding's over, we use the stage as a bit of an outdoor lounge room when we hang out with our friends, but eventually have plans to turn this into an outdoor kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this build. Thank you for joining in to Rhonda Down Under. There'll be many more to come. Stay tuned.